Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you want a bag that's chic, compact, and surprisingly spacious, this one might become your new everyday favorite. This is the genuine leather crossbody bag by MoreFarther with a removable satchel strap. It's clean, minimal design made with real leather, so it feels soft, durable, and high quality. Inside, it's organized better than most bags this size. You get four main sections, so everything has its place, so no more digging around. Don't let this compact look fool you. This bag fits a lot. This is the perfect size for everyday life, date nights, or quick errands. The design is classic and elegant with that beautiful front buckle detail, and the strap is adjustable and removable so you can wear it crossbody or on the shoulder. It also comes in multiple colors, but this dark brown is timeless and goes with everything. Because it's real leather, it not only feels luxurious, but also holds up over time. The structure stays looking sharp, and the inside lining helps keep everything neat. Compact size, real leather, and smart organization, this bag proves that small can still be powerful. So if you want an everyday crossbody that looks good and works hard, this one checks every box.
And that's my point of view.